Let's explore the Mobile Modular 3D Visualizer, your interactive tool to design the perfect commercial modular building, exactly the way you envision it. Start by choosing your building layout. Need just a few offices? Or a full suite with conference rooms and open spaces? You can easily customize the size, number of rooms, and configuration that suits your team's needs. Once your layout is set, it's time to furnish your space. Whether it's private office desks, open cubicles, or collaborative lounge areas, the visualizer lets you bring it all together in real time. Now, make it yours. Choose interior colors, explore different flooring materials, walk through the interior and view each room in detail. Use the interactive map and hotspots for easy navigation. Take your time to ensure the space fits your vision. Once the inside feels just right, step outside to personalize the exterior with custom color schemes and awning styles. Choose your building's color scheme and explore different paint finishes. Swap flooring and ramp options to match your site requirements. Add or remove awnings and experiment with styles to enhance curb appeal. Every change updates instantly in your 3D view. Finished designing? Finalize your building, get an instant quote, and export your project straight to your computer, ready to share or bring into your planning process. With the Mobile Modular 3D Visualizer, it's never been easier to see your building come to life. Try it today.